From the fires of creation come the tools of progress and the courage to shape destiny.
In the hearts of ordinary men and women, greatness begins quietly, built upon faith, labor, and love for the land.
Before borders were drawn, there were only ideas carried, visions of unity, prosperity, and freedom.
Every great nation begins as a dream, a spark born from struggle, hope, and the unyielding will of its people.
But every rise demands a trial, the storm that tests the strength of those who dare to build.
To rise, a nation must first endure pay, its children born beneath the sound of drums and the shadow of sacrifice.
Freedom is never given. It is earned, paid for in courage, and sealed in the memory of those who fought. Here, decisions were forged, not in comfort, but in conflict, where visions clashed and history took form.
With each generation, the dream took shape. Cities rose, trade flourished, and the pulse of progress quickened.
Out of ashes, they rebuilt, not walls, but hope itself.
A nation's strength lies not in its walls, but in its people tent.
And so, with ink and conviction, they wrote the promise of liberty for aim, a covenant to the future. From darkness, they created light, Tralin, and with it, the pulse of a new civilization.
Innovation turned dreamers into builders pipeline, architects of the modern age.
Knowledge became the nation's true wealth, the power to imagine, to create, to change. The rise continues, not of stone or steel, but of spirit, bound by vision and courage.
From struggle to triumph, from ashes to stars to me, the nation stood, proud and unbroken.
Even amidst chaos, the flame of hope never died.
Every generation tested that promise. In war, in peace, in the streets where voices rose for justice.
Now, a new era dawns Rome, where invention meets imagination, and tomorrow begins today. For as long as the sun rises, so too will the spirit of those who built it. A flag is more than cloth flots. It's the story of a people who dared to dream together.
The future belongs to those who believe, Trinity, that even after every fall, a nation can rise again.
For in every act of creation, the soul of the nation lives on.